Welcome to Module 9, Lesson 4. Our I can statement reads, I can find the area of a rectangular region that is formed by taking away rectangular pieces from its interior. What this I can statement is saying is that you can find the area of this green section by finding the area of all the yellow minus the blue. And that will give us just the green. So it's just a lot of different ways to say that. We're going to find just the green. We're going to subtract this section to find it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Number 1. Josh runs a glass bottom boat touring business. That's a picture of what that looks like. It's when there's a glass bottom on the boat. So you're on the boat and you're looking into the ocean. He wants to install a non-slip surface on the walkway of the deck. So he obviously doesn't need it to go over the glass because no one's going to be walking over that section of the boat. What is the area of the walkway that he needs the non-slip surface? All right, here is our picture. We know a lot of information, don't we, by looking at this? We know the measurements of the deck and of the glass. Now, this measurement of the deck is really of the entirety of the boat. So the deck measurements, let's label. If you can label next to it, it would be helpful. The deck is 18 feet by 10 feet. And the glass is this here, 4 feet by 12 feet. So how are we going to find this? We have the whole measurement really of the boat, not so much of the deck. We need to find the deck here. And we have the measurement of the glass. So we need to find both areas. And we're going to subtract the area of the glass. Because if he's going to pay for all of this material, he doesn't want it for the area that he can't use it on. Right? He's not going to put down a non-slip surface on the glass. So we want to find just the surrounding area. All right, so let's start by finding the area of the glass. Our length is 12 feet. Our width is 4 feet. So our area is 48 square feet. Our deck is 18 feet by 10 feet. So the area is 180 square feet. We know we need to subtract the glass because we're taking it away from the entirety of the boat so that we're just left with the deck. Okay, so we have 180 minus 48. We need to regroup. And we find that the area of the walkway needs to be 132. Again, we need to use our units. Square feet. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. Josh has a second glass bottom boat with 2 viewing areas this time. He still wants to install that non-slip surface on the walkway of the deck. What's the area of the walkway that needs the non-slip surface? Very similar to the previous problem, except now there's 2 separate glass sections. So we know the area, we know the measurements of the boat glass A and glass B. And how are we going to solve this problem? Very similar to what we did before, right? We're going to find the total area of the boat and subtract the area of glass A and glass B. Go ahead and take a second to pause the video if you need to finish writing all of that. All right, let's go ahead and fill in your formulas for glass A, glass B, and the deck, and go ahead and solve. Pause the video and press play when you're ready to check your answer. All right, so you should have found that glass A was 63 square feet, glass B was 99 square feet, and the deck was 375 square feet. Now letter C gives us a different way of solving. If we add both of these glass sections together, we can subtract that sum from the deck. We can totally do it that way. We can also just subtract glass A and then subtract glass B. So you can choose how you want to solve, but go ahead and subtract either the sum of glass A and glass B from the deck or glass A, then subtract glass B. Pause the video and press play when you're done subtracting. All right, you should have found that the area of the walkway was 213 square feet when you subtracted the areas of glass A and glass B. Go ahead and pause the video to complete the check understanding. Press play to check your work. All right, let's go ahead and check your work. You should have found that 74 square inches was not covered by the sticker. Here's my picture to kind of show. I'm thinking about it almost like he's mailing something. So here's the sticker that's covering it. And here is the rest of the envelope that is not covered. In order to find the area of what is not covered, I found that the sticker was 6 square inches and the total envelope was 80. I then could subtract the area of the sticker from the area of the envelope to find 74 square inches of the envelope were not covered by the sticker.